In the beginning of the movie, we see some friends who were sitting in the audience. Actually, they were seeing the car race. There, we see a boy, Nick, who was looking very upset. He was feeling that something is going to be wrong. All the other peoples were enjoying a lot. Suddenly, a car gets crashed during car racing. The tire of that car falls on a girl. Because of that, she dies. All the peoples start running from there, and cars were hitting each other very badly. The pieces of the damaged car were falling on the peoples one by one. Because of this, many people die. Then Nick comes in her senses. Actually, it was his nightmare. He was not understanding what did he just see. He gets very surprised because everything was happening according to his imagination. Now he understands that he has seen the future. Nick was very scared. He tells everyone about the accident, but no one believes on him. Many people start fighting with him. Many people were understanding that Nick is mental. So Nick gets in anger and comes out from the stadium. Some other peoples also come out from the stadium. Then suddenly all the cars crash. During this, many people die. Next night, a memorial is held in the memory of those people who were killed in the accident. Nick, with his friend, also go there. There were some other survivors of that accident. At night, Nick sees a strange dream. Because of this, he gets very frightened. Actually, Nick sees fire in his dream. Next night, a survivor of that incident die in the fire. Then Nick understands that what did he see, and his dream was about this survivor. Next day, Nick again sees a dream, but he was not understanding that now who will die next. After some time, we see that a lady dies because a stone hits in her eyes. Now Nick gets to know about death's concept. Now Nick was trying to know about the next death, so he goes to the stadium where he meets with the guard. Nick sees the camera's footage, from which he gets to know that next number is of mechanic. Nick goes to tell about this to the mechanic, but he does not believe on him, and after some time he dies in front of Nick. Now, according to Nick, next number was of his friends Hunt and Janet. Nick tries to save them. He gets success in saving Janet, but Hunt dies in the water. Now, next number was of God. He was alone in this world because he has no family, so he does not want to live a life. He has no fear of death. Nick goes to the home of God, who tells him that I am trying to die but fails. Nick understands that he has saved Janet, so death process has been stopped. But in actual, he was thinking wrong. At night, when he was watching TV, then he sees news about the cowboy, who was also the survivor of that incident, who was saved from crash. But Nick understands that now cowboy will die, so he tries to save him, but it was too late. On the way, an ambulance hits the guard. Because of this, he also dies. Nick was searching his friend Laurie. Then he gets to know that she is in movie theater. Actually, next number was of Laurie, and there was the fire in the room that was beside the cinema hall. Nick finds Laurie and tells her all, but Janet was not ready to go from there. She sits there and enjoys the movie, but after some time, she also dies in the fire. Then Nick comes again in her senses. Actually, it was his nightmare. God dies according to his imagination, but Janet was alive. After this, we see the scene that was of after 2 weeks. Nick, Laurie, and Janet were in a cafe. Nick was not feeling well. Then suddenly a train hits the cafe and they all die. With their death, movie ends. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe for watching more videos like this.